To enable Thinkorswim on Schwab, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to open a Schwab account if you do not already have one. This can be done by visiting the Schwab website and following the prompts to create an account. Once you have a Schwab account, you can download the Thinkorswim platform from the Schwab website. The Thinkorswim platform is a trading software that allows you to trade stocks, options, and futures, and also provides a variety of analytical tools to help you make informed investment decisions. After downloading the Thinkorswim platform, you will need to log into the platform using your Schwab account credentials. This will give you access to the platform and allow you to start trading and using the analytical tools. If you are having trouble enabling Thinkorswim on Schwab, you can contact Schwab customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot any issues you are experiencing and get you up and running with the platform. It is also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the Thinkorswim platform and its features before you start trading. The platform has a variety of tools and features, including charts, indicators, and alerts that can help you make informed investment decisions. In addition to the trading platform, Schwab also offers a variety of educational resources to help you learn how to use the Thinkorswim platform and improve your trading skills. These resources include online tutorials, webinars, and workshops, and can be a great way to get started with the platform and improve your knowledge of trading and investing. Overall, enabling Thinkorswim on Schwab is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps outlined above and taking the time to familiarize yourself with the platform and its features, you can start using Thinkorswim to trade and invest with confidence.